Hello guys, welcome to the video. Today magpakita ako nyo. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna cook today. At the moment we're at the supermarket. I'm with Henry right now, my brother.
Hello.
Yeah, he has with the mask precaution. Yeah. Okay guys, tapos na kaming mag-shopping. Ito yung mga pinili namin, oh. Itlog, may mga karne dyan, beef, may Sprite, lemonade, saka pineapple juice. Ito, Chivas Regal. Yan, pangpatay ng yung virus. Pangpatay. Okay guys, everything's at the back now. Na-arrange na namin. Actually, we didn't use any cellophanes or bags, from the market. We brought our own, reuse. Kasi it's parang trustworthy kung ganun, di ba? So yeah, we're going home now, and we're gonna cook the food and show you how we're gonna do it. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna cook the sauce again. The sauce that we made in the other video, like the garlic, onion, mushroom sauce with the white wine and cream, for the steak. But this time we're gonna make that sauce, but there's no steak involved. Manok yung gagamitin namin. So yeah, it's still very nice. So everything's the ingredients are there, so why not make it? So yeah. Okay guys, we've arrived now. Bating na kami sa bahay. So again, time to arrange them. What we do after every shopping is we clean every single product. And for the fruits, we use water, cold water, a bit, and put a bit of soap just to clean, get rid of whatever's on those stuff. So just para siguradong malinis siya, diba? So hindi ka magka problema mamaya o mag-alala. So yeah. So this is the chicken that we're gonna use. This one here. We have chicken drumsticks. I don't know how many there are. I would say probably 12ish, 14 pieces, yeah. So I'm gonna use drumsticks, and they're due as well, so I'm gonna use them now. So I put water in the pot now, guys. So I'm just gonna let this water boil and then put the chicken in and then time it for 5 minutes. I don't want to put the There we go, it's boiling now, guys. So we're gonna remove the lid. Okay guys, we're gonna put the chicken in. There we go. Open. Oh, so this is like last time, it's the same ingredients: mushroom, garlic, onion. Chop them finely, the garlic and the onion. I think for the mushroom, well, last time what I did for the mushroom is like slice it a quarter for each one of them, but I think I'll try to slice them thinly, I guess. So yeah, that's it for the sauce. And also, we're not gonna forget about the white wine, guys. This one, like last time, the same white wine. So we're gonna do the usual thing like last time. So, okay, 1, 2, 3. So here we go, guys. Boiled chicken, all cooked and ready to use whenever the sauce is done. So we're all set up now. Everything's sliced. Oh, it becomes steamy on the on the lens. So yeah, we're gonna cook it now. Alright guys, we're gonna put the spinach. It's actually a very creamy, guys. Very creamy dish. But it's nice. Creamy and rich. So just watch out there. I'll put the spinach. It might fill the pot, but you know, liliit to, liliit. Muna substitute po na mo sahay kung magutan mi. Wa may cabbage, wa may kuan, dahon-dahon dira, muna yung mga ipuli. Ngayon po siya, dali lang manata. So, we usually put it last for the dish. There we go guys, as I told you, lumiit yung spinach, gamay yung spinach. So, there we go. I turned the fire off so that I wouldn't, you know, cook the spinach even more. Since my mom likes crunchy vegetables and I think everyone else as well, so I took that into account.
Nice.
So there you go guys, the dish that I just made from scratch, and you saw the process with a bit of magic over there when I was slicing the stuff. Yeah, again, it doesn't have a name, so just name whatever you want, you know, name it whatever you want. So yeah, onion, garlic, chicken with onion garlic sauce or whatever. Yeah, just name it whatever you want. Thank you for watching guys, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you later. Take care now, bye.